Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. For Part A, the constructor should create the theater seats 2D array with Tier 1 rows plus Tier 2 rows and seats per row columns. Then it should use nested loops to fill every position with a new seat true tier object. Rows 0 through Tier 1 rows -1 should contain Tier 1 seats, and the remaining rows should contain Tier 2 seats, since lower row indexes are closer to the stage. The correct approach is public theater, int seats per row, int Tier 1 rows, int Tier 2 rows. Theater seats equals new seat Tier 1 rows plus Tier 2 rows. For int r is 0 less than theater seats dot length. For C equals 0, C less than theater seats 0 dot length, C. If R less than Tier 1 rows, theater seats RC equals new seat true 1, else theater seats RC equals new seat true 2. For Part B, great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.